Hello everyone, welcome to this quick little tutorial on how to make a custom skin for the TRR IR-18 IndyCar. First thing you're going to want to do is go up to this message in the announcements in the ARC Discord and download this livery template file. You're going to want to drag that into Content Manager as if it was a normal car. I've already done it. It'll show up like these. You're going to want to use this skin here. So we're going to go into open folder for the car. Go into skins. The skin is called white. And we're going to want to copy this file. And we're just gonna make a new folder. This is the folder where our test skin is gonna be, so we're just gonna call it test. And we're gonna paste that folder in there. Alright, pretty simple so far. Now, what we want to do, open this folder in GIMP or Photoshop or whatever. Of course it hasn't opened. There we go. And we have this differently colored different colored parts of the car. I'm just going to go back into Content Manager. And we're going to take the skin and open it in a custom showroom. And we're going to change the skin that's being displayed to this test folder that we've just made. It's going to look like that. Okay, it's going to look basically exactly like the white one. The white one wants to load. Well, it looks, the body is exactly the same as the white skin, except the wings are different. I'm just going to put that on my second screen for now, just so I can look at it while I'm working. Now we're going to go back to GIMP, and as we can see, we have all these different colored parts. These all represent different parts of the car, and the colors correlate to what you can see on the car in the showroom. So this is the main body, it's cyan. This pink part is the right, like, barge board, left barge board. Yeah, basically exactly the same. This is the nose cone. So, how we change the colors, it's pretty simple. We can just go select by color on any part. And, I don't know, let's make it a bit darker. There we go. You can do whatever you want. I'd recommend putting layers like this on top of the car. So, if I was going to make it that color, actually, I just add a layer, then place it there. And so I can see and unsee that layer as I please. So now, the actual exporting of the car, this is going to be pretty simple. We're going to go to export as, and then we're going to click on body.dds. It has to be named exactly as it is in all the other folders. So if you look here, if you're doing the body, it has to be named body all caps .dds. If you're doing the cockpit, cockpit .dds, exhaust, and everything as well. The same. So we're going to go here. No, that's not what I want. Test. And we're going to export. Replace. And when this shows up, you want to go to BC3DXT5 for compression or whatever your equivalent is in Photoshop. And when it goes to, and you want to have all visible layers selected there. And now you can export. And now if we go back to the preview, we see this color has changed to the dark green. It's up to you guys. Choose whatever the hell you want to do. You're going to need to do this for all the wings, all the other folders that are in here. So you'll need to do this separately for the cockpit, exhaust, wings, whatever. So that's the basic gist of actually getting your livery onto the car. So let's say we're done now. We're done with this little livery. Just this example. We're going to close here, and we're going to go back to Content Manager. We're going to go onto the car again, right-click, Manage Skins. Now, when we go to manage skins, we can update the car's preview. This will automatically take the picture of the car that you see in the menu screen, and now we have a preview of the car. As you can see, looking beautiful. And then change a livery icon, generate a livery icon, and it's that little thing there. Now we also want to create a JSON file, and this is where we put in all the details. Dirt. And 55 short, and then we can press save. And that's basically it. If you do, of course, want to add in the little the wings and such, just open wings. It'll open here, and these are the wings that we see. These are the default ones, which shouldn't actually look like that because I'm in the wrong folder. We want to do it in the white skin folder because that'll be this one where it's all different colors. And so, say we wanted this part of the wing to be black, and change it to black, and we will export as, go to this test folder that we made, and export it exactly as wings.dds, and export. Do the same thing, all visible layers, BC3DXT5. There we go, and if we now open this car up again in the Content Manager showroom, see what part does that change. It's changed this little bit back here to black. So that's the basic gist of everything. That's how you change the colors of the car, and how you can do names. You can also change the name here, so my keyboard wants to work. Okay, no it doesn't apparently. Whatever, it's fine. And yeah, that's really all it is. I hope you enjoyed this. The normal method of getting a skin map where it's just blank doesn't seem to work on these cars. I'm not entirely sure why. Also, you will have to use this road template for all the other cars. They don't seem to have included one for the oval and short oval cars. So that's a bit unfortunate. I'm sure you could make it work. But this is what I can tell you for now works. So I'm just going to update this preview again, and you can see that it's changed that little wing at the back to black. There you go. Thank you for watching. I hope this helped. Goodbye.